This is the secret hotels use to keep their mattresses perfectly clean. Since I discovered this trick, my mattress has stayed spotless, disinfected, and smelling fresh. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's well known for its disinfecting and antibacterial properties, removing microbes while neutralizing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps dissolve dirt and makes cleaning more effective. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, absorbs moisture, and eliminates bad smells. The next ingredient is baking soda, a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture while gently cleaning and refreshing. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and mix well. Take a clean towel, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the slightly damp towel on the mattress. Wrap a hairdryer with the towel and use it only on low power, always making sure the fabric is damp, not wet. This method deeply cleans the mattress, removes bacteria, freshens it up, and restores a pleasant scent. Give this simple trick a try.